Every successful project starts with confidence. Confidence in the ground, the strategy, and the people executing the work. At Keller North America, trust is the foundation of everything we do. We are the leading geotechnical specialty contractor, delivering solutions to complex subsurface challenges across the full construction spectrum. Our approach is rooted in understanding ground conditions, managing risk, and ensuring performance. Our teams combine local experience with global expertise, applying proven techniques tailored to real site conditions. We work as a single partner, from early planning through construction, streamlining execution and reducing risk. With more than 60 offices across the U.S. and Canada, we scale quickly to meet project demands. Whatever the size of the project, we deliver safely, efficiently, and to a high standard of quality. If conditions change, our in-house engineers and field teams respond by designing and implementing practical solutions in real time. Keller builds confidence from the ground up. This is Keller North America.